we have this, my Europe, it's this text. So the idea is to see what we do with this. Because the idea of this sentence, do you remember our talk? It's about Dona Europa. It's a performance we made in May. And then at the end in the performance, he's seated all the time. During
Hanno fatto una performance su questo testo di Europa e vediamo che si può fare questo.
So he's seated all the time during the performance, his behavior. And so I propose him, because Dona Europa, and I propose him to write a text called My Europe. So it's this text. And now I propose, if you want to try it, because it's text, and you can split it, you can create, I don't know, and talk with people, and try to do something with this in the space. So, yeah.
Praticamente il testo che ha fatto Lisette l'ha scritto lui, e quindi ognuno può immaginare che sia la sua Europa.
Then, and then we have the documentary theater and the voices. The voices are the proposal for site specific.
Poi ci sono la proposta per il site specific, c'è una rappresentazione che si dovrebbe ispirare all'uomo.
And performances, experiences
Un'esperienza di performance
in Malagueira and Cruz de Picado, the two neighborhoods.
Rigodon, poi un'esperienza di performance.
Okay. Then we have this testimony that Bruno is proposing. And then we have the ladies' workshop that are connected with our work with the community, right?
Poi c'è un workshop con queste donne. What about this workshop? It's not clear.
What, this workshop?
Yes, what means workshop?
I told you. So it's a workshop we are running from June
Dove è stato
to July with a group of ladies and Anna. And they are working exercises, and they work in Dona Europa text, and then change to another thing, and now they are working on some ideas with tourism and all. So, but that is a group in Cruz de Picado.
È un gruppo di certificato che hanno lavorato sull'Europa, che hanno lavorato insieme a loro.
Yeah. So it's a theater group.
It's associated to your place.
Yes. So, and then,
Associato con loro nello stesso luogo dove loro hanno spazio.
in red, it's the areas we have interest to, right? So beside this, we have just a question mark. We have sports and theater. We have the hyperlink.
Hyperlink is the stories connected and crossing, etc. Yes, Pulp Fiction.
Digital theater, I can call this.
Yes, praticamente riassumendo quelli che sono stati i laboratori già svolti e quelli che saranno svolti nel progetto, perché qui Évora doveva essere l'ultimo dei 4, invece poi abbiamo posposto e quindi diventa l'ultimo realmente, e quindi questo è un po' il riassunto tra quello che avete visto sopra, il documentario teatrale, le donne che fanno questo workshop, Sports and Theater che faremo a Lieti, Hyperlink, Digital Theater e quello fatto in Germania. Hyperlink vuol dire storia pubblica.
So digital theater is the Dortmund workshop for Teatro. You were not in this workshop. No. So it's really okay, don't worry. But it's your natural, I would say, territory, your position, and
It's up to them.
why we do this kind of.
Non hanno partecipato. Se stiamo tranquilli, passano
So what's the idea of this?
I was starting this.
Oh, sorry.
I'm just waiting for the presentation. We have online some elements describing all these digital tools because it was designed by a team in Dortmund in the context of lockdown. So it's very complicated to run workshops in presence. So how to deal with it and to do workshop online. And so
workshop online che non è stato molto semplice da gestire.
So they made a lot of proposals how to design performance, for example, online in a workshop mode, and we made it. The idea of the Portugal workshop is to get inspiration from all the previous experiences. So, for example, we bring documentary theater from a previous experience. We can bring digital workshop from the Dortmund experience. At the moment, we have no idea on how to deal with it, but it's on the board as an option.
Dice che questo è pensato per essere un workshop che riassuma tutte le altre esperienze che sono state fatte e per il momento non sappiamo assolutamente che cosa, come farlo, però abbiamo provato a farlo.
So this is all what we have at the moment. Maybe we are forgetting something, but at the moment we have all this.
It's clear for everybody. I can rephrase in 10 seconds. So, in red, we have these first two workshops: France, Germany, Italy, Portugal. Documentary theater, the community, this theater approach, sports, hyperlink, and digital theater. This is what was people were being working in workshops. And now, in this Malagueira and Cruz de Picada, in these two neighborhoods, we propose to use the site-specific, the space to make performance, tests, and experiences that we call voices. So we have this.
Ci ispireremo a tutto questo, lo chiamiamo voice e queste esperienze, perché grazie a questi impulsi costruiremo l'esperienza.
So we have this text, we have this testimony if it's interesting to use, and maybe you can help with this, but with the documented theater, maybe it would be nice to use participants.
Un testo di disegno, testimonianze di Vicente e potremmo utilizzare il documentario teatrale.
Ladies, let it call ladies, so you know what I'm talking about.
Le ragazze.
Vicente testimony and neighborhood people, locals, local community. Okay? So one possibility is to see how we can do this with the documented theater and ask the participants, the ladies and the local community, some questions. And beside this, we have the idea of Europe, common values, democracy, etc., interculturality. We have the space, so you can imagine physically the images, and make something with this. I give an example. If we work on this, and we are talking interculturality in this neighborhood, the people will answer something. And in the end, after talking with 10 people, the one who will do that, maybe in the end is, okay, what I want to do with the questions, I don't know why, I go naked to the lake and swim. So it's this performance.
Dice che potete fare delle interviste, stirarvi, e se volete anche vogliamo tutti, quindi visitarli nel lago, quella è una
So it's this. So we have the spaces, GSs, and the grammatical. We have spaces, the team, and the answers. What do you think, Bruno?
I love it.
Now, it was you who asked. I guess there's no sense to everybody being doing that. No? Because we have one day around. So maybe we can divide? No? Let's check if I have some.
What I'm not very sure about is our capacity to connect with local population within these 2 days and go and ask them things. I have the feeling that if we want to connect with the local population, it's more about connecting with you in the team as locals. Because you are living here, so you are the people from the neighborhood. We could connect pretty easily.
Actually, the three parts. So the participants, I guess we could propose, because it's you, we could propose what you felt when you were making the promenade. Yeah. We set a topic like this was the first punch.
Yeah, and how this connects, and all of us, how this connects with things that belong to us from our memories or from our previous trips. I totally agree with what I vote for.
Esempi di spiegazione dei luoghi, se potete avere delle reazioni personali che vi appartengono al vostro passato.
With the ladies, we have 5, 6. We can talk with Nuno also, and Andrea. And so this group, we can ask them, especially the ladies, even you don't live there, but the ladies live there. So we have 4 or 5 persons that can give the personal touch. Okay. And local community depends. If we find someone, if we find the right moment, we can follow. If it happens.
For the ladies, is it possible for them to meet them today?
Yes, they will have a rehearsal after lunch, so I can call them. This afternoon?
Okay,
so we can go to the workshop and talk with them.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
Okay? Scientific, you know the spaces, so it's this. So the first thing I guess we have 2 big things to decide, no? Is to make a list of questions. 2, 3, 4, I don't know.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
use your questionnaire.
Oh, because the questionnaire is part of the method to design the questions. So we have to design the questions in the process.
It would be nice to do this.
Do we build these interviews, or do we build these interviews, or write that down when they say local communities?
We can film it.
Okay.
And the other, we had 2 or 3, 4 groups, I don't know how many, maybe from spots, what do you think? It's a possibility. What? Then in the second moment, we need to divide for who does what. And maybe we can propose spots. Maybe it's the easiest way, I don't know. Imagine, we have the Colorage Square, next to ExQuorum. We have another square there in the Crucificada, we have Santa Maria, we have this Teatro, we have there, we have the lake, so we could enumerate. No?
And so for everybody is clear that at the end we perform somehow on Sunday afternoon with possibly